What's good, guys? It's Raw Kicks. Here with an unboxing video. As you might have noticed, my channel is a little bit of mixed with travel content now. I've been taking some trips to South America and Thailand. Went to Brazil, Peru, and Colombia last year, so just going to be uploading some videos about that later through this year. And then last month I went to Thailand, so got a few videos up right now on YouTube about the trip to Thailand. So if you want to check those out, look through my most recent videos. But today we're back doing what I do best, and that is unboxing OVO. So I got two packages that just came in from OVO, and this one I believe is going to be the Nocta collab that just released. Pretty stoked about this one. And I'm wrong, I opened up. This is going to be the classic series hoodie and sweatpants combo, and I managed to get these at 15% off. So right now, I believe the discount is called April 15 until the end of the month. You can get 15% off of OVO online. If you use that code April 15 at checkout. You can only use it once per account, so put everything in your cart that you want and just check out all at once. I've wanted these for a while. I think that they've released them a few times, but I really wanted a zip up hoodie. I'm tired of throwing a hoodie on and messing up my hair and taking it off and being a pain. So this is, I've had my eye on this for a while. So looking forward to this. I got a size medium for the hoodie. Yeah, and nice material. It's got silver double zippers. Let's see what this looks like on. If I can do that off. Yeah. And yeah, size medium. And yeah, this is a perfect fit. Really like thick material, nice quality, as we're used to with OVO. So nice drawstring, zipper. I'll show you how this zipper works. So you can zip. Not that I don't see anybody ever doing this, but you can zip both ways. I'm not sure why they do that, but you have the option. See what it looks like on. Nice gold stitched OVO owl there. Kind of wish the zipper and everything was gold too. I feel like that might add to it, might look nice. Next are the sweatpants, pretty much the same idea there. I'll do an up and close of that though in a minute, but let's see the Nocta stuff. No stickers or anything like that. I used to like when they threw in free stickers. No pricing on here either, which is really annoying. Oh, they're on the tag. So sweatpants were $140. I got a size medium, and the tee is $55, and that's Canadian prices. So I'll show you these sweatpants. These are the Nocta most recent collab they did. So this is Nike and Nocta, which is Drake's other brand. 3M reflective on the back here, swoosh on the left leg, and yeah, these look pretty nice for sweatpants. And then, oh, here it is. See this tee. I didn't really realize that you could use the discount code only once, so these sold out really fast, so I should have waited a couple days and then had all of them in the cart to get 15% off. Here's a look at the front, and this is called like the big what do they call it, big banner or something. I think it should be on here. Max 90? Weird. This, they're saying men's Max 90 t-shirt. I don't know. I don't remember it being called that. The tag doesn't really say. But yeah, really dope. Logo on the back, the front, it's just a screen print. Looks like there's some dirt on it or dust. So yeah, that's the t-shirt. I'll throw it on. I'll throw on the sweatpants as well, and I'll try and get a shot with the reflective material going. The piping goes right down the legs through the back, so that's pretty sick. Feels like nice quality as well. Made in Vietnam, so pretty typical Nike there. 82% cotton, 18% polyester. So not the best material, but Nike standards, that's kind of what you get. Let's see what the classic sweats. These I'm sure are going to be way nicer material and 100% cotton. So you can tell the cotton is like, it's like a combed, or I don't know, heavyweight, way nicer material. So this is made in Portugal actually, so not made in Canada, and yeah, 100% cotton. These weigh probably like maybe 1.5 times the Nike Nocta ones. Trying to see, even the black is darker, but I think the pockets, no pocket on the back of the Noctas, and there is a pocket on the classic, the OVO classics. Inside drawstring, same with the Noctas. These are actually a little nicer because they have a metal part where the drawstrings loop from, so you don't have to worry about them tearing. The OVO classic ones don't have that. They're just open stitched, so these can come apart and tear. I've had it happen. But yeah, these are the elastic on the bottom, and same with the Noctas. They had an open hem ones that weren't elastic, but I got the ones that are. I prefer that. So yeah, maybe I'll throw on these sweatpants first and just do a shot with the hoodie, just to see the kind of the track outfit, tracksuit outfit, or sweatsuit outfit I should say. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And yeah, here comes those shots of the fit now. Peace. So here's a shot of the classic sweatpants in a size medium. These are a relaxed fit, which is more in style now than the tight kind of track or jogger style. Pocket on the right side, and then 2 normal pockets on the sides here. Zip up hoodie with the hood. I don't know how that'll look, but give you an example. Let me know what you guys think. I'm selling this with the Air Max 97s. These are a 3M reflective, just all black. I think these came out 2 years ago maybe. Really comfortable shoe, goes with everything, especially if you want to rock all black. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I'll throw on the Nocta tracksuit right now. Alright, so this is the Nocta t-shirt, size large, And then the sweats size medium. Big Nocta logo on the back. Really dope. I think there's a couple logos on the calf area. The pockets are actually zippered, so zippered pockets on the front. It's a nice touch. Drawstrings as well. Nike swoosh in the middle here. See what it looks like with the chain out. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you managed to cop, they had a couple different color options as well. I think they had white and, they had gray and brown. I think like a light beige kind of color. Let me know if you cop something. I'll turn the flash on so you can see the 3M reflective and do a shot of that now. All right, so hopefully you can kind of see. Hopefully you can kind of see the reflection now. The 3M. I think it's piped. Yeah, it's piped all the way around the back, front, down the side. Can't really see if it's hitting on the lights or not, or on the light I have. So hopefully it is. Hopefully, so I'm kind of moving around to see if the light is picking it up or not. Good joggers, good for, and they're not too tight either. They're like a perfect width. I feel like this is more like I really feel like Drake influenced the baggy clothing style. Like he really brought it back. Like in the 2000s, this is like when I was in high school in like 2007. This is what everybody wore, like Soulja Boy style, like super baggy tees, and we didn't really wear that, but it was definitely baggier clothing. So I kind of like this style more. I prefer. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna try this. Showing the reflective, the 3M material on the pants here. I hope it's coming. Hope it's coming through.